Good morning to all. I am Dr. P.M. Shanthi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukottai. Now we have to discuss for the subject is Big Data Analytics. The topic is digital data. Discussed for introduction, structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. So digital data in information theory and information system is a discrete, discontinuous representation of information or words. The term is most commonly used in computing and electronics, especially where real world information is converted to binary numeric form, as in digital audio and digital photography. The definition of data, the data growth has been exponential acceleration since the computer. It is defined as the data that is stored on digital format, maybe in the form of picture, document or video, etc. It is the data that is not physical but stored in digital form. The digital data can be classified into three forms: unstructured data, semi-structured data, structured data. Unstructured data means this is a data which does not conform to a data model or is not in a form which can be used easily by a computer program. Maximum 80 to 90% of the data of an organization is in this. For example, means chat room, PowerPoint presentations, images, videos, letters, researchers, white papers, body of an email, etc. Next one, semi-structured data. This is the data which does not conform to a data model but has some structure. However, it is not in a form which can be used easily by a computer program. Example, an XML markup languages like HTML, etc. Metadata for this data is available but is not sufficient. Next one, structured data. This is a data which is an organized form. It is an example, it is arranged in rows and columns. It can be easily used by a computer programs. Relationships exist between entities of data, such as classes their object. Data stored in databases is an example of structured data. Next one, sources of structured data. Databases such as Oracle, DB2, Teradata, MySQL form. The second one, spreadsheets. Third one, OLTP system. How it will be working with the structured data? We can give an insert, update, delete, security, indexing, scalability and transaction processing. The transaction processing used for the following properties: atomicity, consistency, isolations, durability. Next one, sources of semi-structured data. Amongst the sources for semi-structured data, the front runners are XML and JSON. XML is extensible markup language, is hugely popularized by web services developed utilizing the simple object access control principle, that is SOAP. The semi-structured data we can use for XML, other markup languages and JSON. Characteristics of semi-structured data: inconsistent structure, self-describing label value, often schema information is blended with the data values, data object may have different attributes not known beforehand. Sources of semi-structured data. JSON is JavaScript object notation, is used to transmit data between a server and a web application. JSON is popularized by web services developed utilizing the representational state transfer, that is REST, an architecture for creating scalable web services. Next one, unstructured data. How we can get the unstructured data? Then web pages, images, free form text, audios, videos, body of an email, text messages, chats, social media data, Word document. Next one, issues with the terminology. Structure can be implied despite not being formally defined. Data with some structure may still be labeled unstructured if the structure does not help with processing tasks at hand. Data may have some structure or may even be highly structured in ways that are unanticipated or unannounced. Next one, dealing with an unstructured data mining, natural language processing, text analytics, noisy text analytics.